everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how you can turn off chat history and training on ChatGPT application. Now to do that, first thing is you need to open the ChatGPT app on your phone device and then get logged into the account of yours. ChatGPT is an AI-powered language model developed by OpenAI. It is an intelligent chatbot that uses machine learning and natural language processing to understand and respond to what people are saying and to have a human-like conversation. It will respond to any queries and will provide you any information that you needed to know. So for you to turn off the chat history and training on ChatGPT, you tap on the three horizontal lines on the top left. Then you need to go to setting, tap on setting. Then on this setting page, you need to go data control, tap on it, data control, and here on the history section, you will find the option chat history and training being enabled. So for you to turn off the chat history and training on ChatGPT, all you have to do is tap on that toggle and turn it off. Once you do that, the chat history will not be recorded in the ChatGPT anymore. By default, your conversation in ChatGPT can be viewed by OpenAI and used as training data to improve its system. So when you turn it off, they will no longer have the access, allowing you to choose which conversation can be used to train your models. The conversation that is made after disabling the chat history and training won't be used to train and improve ChatGPT model, nor will they appear in the history sidebar anymore. So this is a way how you can turn off chat history and training on ChatGPT application. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.